Hey, today we're making hot toddy. Check it out. Want to watch? It's gonna be good. Welcome to Common Cocktails. Dan and I'm home.
Wow.
Ian and Derrick and Dan. We're all gonna make you drink.
There's a bunch of people up
There's the three of us. You've probably seen us before.
Happy National Bubblehead Day.
Boom. Like this.
That's it. That's all I got. This is.
Want to scroll down here just so we can see what we're doing too?
What do you want to know?
I just want to see what if there's
Oh, you want to
down a little
actually understand the instructions, throw everything together? We're going to be making for you guys, that's you guys over there on the screens, we're going to be making a variant of a hot toddy. And when I say a variant, it's because every hot toddy is different. This is a hot toddy. It doesn't have a recipe. It's like fucking...
Really?
No.
Is it just so it's just whiskey, hot water, some lemon, whatever you want to do?
Before, haven't we?
You can do it with anything. Yeah, you can do it with rum. You can do it
So
with
he's putting in 3 ounces of whiskey?
Yep, he's got 3 ounces of whiskey, 1.5 cups of hot water, which is here. Here you can't see because there's a graphic on the screen. 4 to 6 teaspoons of honey to taste. 4 to 6 teaspoons of lemon juice to taste. 2 lemon
You're
wheels.
Be there a while.
Oh my god, should I?
We probably should have put that in hot water, which we have right here.
Yeah.
Looks like dog poop.
Yeah, do it. Come on, get it. You're gonna have to stir this
2
thing. You
cinnamon
get it.
sticks are optional.
Well,
but
once the
they
hot
make
water
for-
goes in it, it'll melt.
Yeah, it'll melt.
So basically, that's a lot of fucking whiskey. You might want to do hot water.
It's 3 ounces.
Yeah. It's as asked for.
So I could have.
Wait a
given
minute.
you-
What is it?
4 to 6 teaspoons.
4 to 6 teaspoons.
That's a lot.
That is a lot.
We like things that aren't too.
Doesn't look appropriate right now. Right there, cut it
so.
off.
That's
plenty.
That's a lot of fucking honey.
No. I mean, a teaspoon's.
No.
That's true. We also have 3 ounces of fucking rum in
You need
there.
a
Right?
toilet
Yeah.
bowl glass for this
Why
stuff.
don't you
That'd
add
be
the hot
great.
water so that it mixes?
Well, I want to put everything in there and then top with the hot water.
That's
Because then
true.
you're gonna have less hot water though.
Yeah, well, it is what it is.
Yeah, but then you can't put in the rest of the ingredients.
Yeah, I know.
Right? So.
A tablespoon's a
Teach
third
his
of an ounce, so
I
4 to
Yeah.
6 is between.
A tablespoon is a
Yeah.
third of an ounce.
See, that's how much honey you put in.
Yeah.
Yep.
All right.
I buy that.
That's just
So
hot.
it is, but it's because my new stove is like fucking hot. And then
I just bought a teapot. I never had one.
yeah.
You never had. You're Asian.
I
You
know.
never have a teapot.
I know.
Hashtag
Well, it's
racism.
like-
I know. It's
I
because.
can be. It's because I have an Asian friend and a black friend.
Okay. Here's
Boom.
Boom. You've
The
reached the
trifecta.
the trifecta of wokeness.
Trifecta.
All right, go for it.
All right.
Let's get some hot water and melt that honey.
Yeah. Melt it. We also melted the
that
handle.
face.
I've melted the handle on the actual teapot.
Look how it melts.
Oh, it's like poop shit.
It tastes like yum yum.
Should we put more water in
That's
it?
good. We got to put our lemon round in there too.
Yeah.
So
2 of them somehow.
Let's put this.
we'll make it work.
We'll make it work. I can move. I'll move this over to my
Careful.
scale for.
That looks inviting.
So yum yum.
So Dan's never had a hot toddy.
I've never had it. I mean, I might have tasted one. I just
So-
I definitely never made it.
Think about it this way. Let's
I think you need
say
to throw
let's say
that
you
lemon in
had
there.
anything from a cold sweat, a cold throat cancer, whatever, and you needed a cure
Or bad day.
or a bad day.
Yeah.
Not a bad day.
This is a cure for you. It's
had a
it's like
bad
a
day.
medicinal option where you take
It's like a
So-
penicillin, only better.
right. It's got the alcohol to cure your problems mentally. It's got the honey to kind of soothe your throat. The lemon and all the
That's it for
alcohol
me.
that floats up to your face.
Ooh, let's spill for a bit.
Here.
That is beautiful.
fit?
That is beautiful.
It's okay, right? And the honey it's good for your throat. I said the lemon
Yeah.
and everything. That's good.
Honey's
for you.
antiseptic.
Break
I mean,
up your the.
I do honey in like hot water all the time.
Yeah, so you're going to love this.
Right. Imagine that, but you can get drunk.
Just with whiskey and lemon.
Yeah.
So
I'm in.
for the lemons, what we did is we studded these things. So you basically here's the pro tip: stud them before you actually cut them because it just becomes a lot easier.
Unless you got a little
Squish.
poker though.
Yeah, if you get a little poker to make a starter hole, then you can jam your cloves into it. That's what the studding part is. So you just, besides looking good, it does add a little bit more of that clove flavor, which I like. It fits the hot toddy and other things like it. I don't know if it's not going to be too clovey because you're
No,
letting them
it's-
steep in there for 4
yeah.
hours. How
Do it.
hold on.
You go first. Don't spill it.
Derrick approaches that like a blowjob shot.
You're not supposed to put your mouth in the whole thing.
Don't touch it with your hands, just with your mouth.
Not like throwing a drink up that's gonna scald your face.
Oh, it's got some honey in it. I don't know what that was.
Yeah, it's all the stuff from the bar.
Smells good.
Yeah. It's not weak.
Oh my shit.
Oh, that was awesome.
Don't take too much.
He doesn't like lemon,
Okay, you
remember?
gotta drive.
No, it's just, I didn't expect it to be that strong.
There's a drinking show, right?
Oh my god. Dude, your
good,
face.
No, it's not bad. It's just I didn't expect it to like have that much of like a
Oh, guess what he does?
whiskey.
Fucking really gets
Holy
right up in your shit. Yeah.
There's
That
like,
makes
you know,
it
there's
strong.
3 ounces of bourbon in there, right?
Yeah, I figured that out.
Here's the thing.
Buffalo Trace is good though.
Hey, how's it going? Booze on the Rocks. Oh, speaking of which, we have an executive producer, Michael, from patreon.com/CMC. Go up to patreon.com/CMC and help us fund the show so that you can see more shit like that.
It's actually not bad.
Right. Hot toddies are good, man. There's like Derrick said, there's a bunch of different recipes for hot toddy. It's more just a style. Than
I have 3 of them from last year, sponsored by.
I mean, I think if you put like 2 ounces in for this size glass,
to me, it's like mulled wine because you can mix it up and you can change it up.
yeah.
I love the clove smell and the cinnamon smell, so it's really great. Like
We did. I did.
mulled wine makes your place smell good. I think.
Like the smell of this, like just the smell. The smells.
My
When
stomach
you come
just
out
feel
from
better.
like skiing or shoveling.
It was a lot of whiskey, like
One's for
in
fun,
my
one's
mouth.
Well,
Either way, it tastes good.
the other one.
Yeah, because you smell like the lemon and
Yeah, the ones I did last year, I did 3 of them during this time of year, and it was for Baron Jaeger. And
oh, it's actually it's starting to like
It's settling on you.
Yeah.
you get used to it.
Yeah.
The Baron Jaeger
so-
has their bourbon and honey bourbon and their regular like honey, and so I created a couple recipes
oh yeah,
that
yeah.
used it with that. They all kind of have the same thing.
Well, get the
Kyle,
clove soaking in there so we can get the.
Kyle
I
Wood
want to
likes.
Derrick when he's talking too. It's fun.
Kyle Wood likes to add ginger.
Ginger's good. That would be good. Yeah, ginger. I could see that.
I think it was Kyle. There was a
Well,
couple people
lemon
asked.
ginger. Like I used to make teas with just lemon and ginger.
Yes,
And
yeah,
hot
that's
water.
what, yeah.
Antioxidant and all that shit. All those special things. I mean, this is a health drink.
It actually smells really good with the clove
Let's
and
be
lemon.
honest. It's just
And then you
fucking-
get like the
I'm
cinnamon.
surprised because that's like your weakness. Lemon.
No, I mean I like lemon. It just makes me pucker up. I mean, it's not that I don't like it. It's just
Right.
It was a whiskey that like I was just
I
like it was just a lot of like whiskey. I was just I didn't expect it.
I am not a fan of hot drinks, which is why I do so few on the show. But like, this seems like the right time to do it, and I know other people like them.
Yeah, it's definitely like calm down a little bit.
The
like,
problem I have with the hot, not necessarily hot
Because
toddy,
whiskey
but hot
floating.
drinks, is the alcohol goes like it's so potent, like that. It's like a turnoff. You get used to it now, but like it's a kind of a turnoff. Like initially taking it, you're like, dude, that's like fucking potent.
Well, and you know when
It's
you
not-
sip it too, like kind of like when you're sipping it up.
When you're aerosoling it.
Yeah, and all of a sudden it's just
yourself.
like it's just
Choke
like,
yourself, maggot.
Like the way he like. I have many bloopers where he goes. And he starts choking and he's coughing, and I have to intercut it between different other bloopers because he just keeps going. Like, this is the best time.
Yeah.
This will have to be a blooper for you this time. Go,
Yeah.
but
Dan drinking lemon. It's always a blooper.
that,
So
that was
good.
last year. Yeah, we had lots of damn drinking lemon reactions.
Sure, what you
So the taste profile of this is definitely got a medicinal flavor. I don't know why. It's cold a little bit. I don't think it's a honey. I don't know. It has like a, I don't know. Maybe it's just an abundance of lemon.
It's the alcohol.
Yeah, I mean the lemon and the
It's got sour notes, but it's the honey kind of balances it off, so it's not like it's not sour. It's just
No.
you can taste. The thing is, you could taste the lemon more so than the sour of the lemon. You can taste like that lemon citrus, like just covers your mouth, and then the honey. I don't know if it matters what type of honey you use. Like one that's maybe thinner might be a good one.
Well, it's not solid.
Yeah,
it's kind of seized up. But
I have
it's
better
not a big deal.
honey.
You microwave that, it softens right up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I wanted to use that one. I have another one upstairs I bought today that will definitely pour easier, but
Let's use that.
He was like, "Fuck it." He's like, "Why use that?" Like,
because this is old, I want to use the old one
and
first.
we're putting it in a hot drink, so it's gonna.
Well, honey
go
never
down
goes
fast.
bad, so it's all
No,
good.
it's fine.
See, I think you could, for this size glass, you could have done 2 ounces of whiskey.
What are you saying? You're saying like it's strong?
I'm saying we could like hold on. Let's put a little more water.
What you're saying is like you're out shoveling.
Yeah.
You're like,
I mean, I don't want to be like, oh, you had a hot toddy, honey. Why you on your ass?
yeah. Or I mean, did you ever see there was a meme I saw the other day on Facebook? It was like like this guy who puts like Miller Lights or whatever out in his driveway before a snowstorm. So when he's shoveling, he has little treasures to pick up and he can.
That's clever.
Drink.
That's just smart.
Yeah, that's just smart.
That's just smart.
That's pre-planning.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it a little bit hotter. The problem is, who could possibly be here? Oh, Jackie. The problem is, super hot makes it goes away because you've added the cold whiskey and all the other stuff.
Maybe it was
lemon
good
juice.
the other way.
Did you just water it down too much?
I might have.
Yeah, you just gotta stir.
I mean, it's good. Yeah, I think if you stirred it up.
Because all the stuff's still in there. You should be able to make a couple drinks out of what we just did. Maybe.
Oh, I could stir with that.
You're probably gonna.
That's kind of just a back and forth. It's really not a stir.
Why don't you show me how it's done, Dan?
I think you're doing a really good job.
Okay. You like the back and forth then?
Yeah, I like the back and forth.
Oh, the in out, in
I
out.
like that. Yeah.
Let's see.
That's another movie reference. By the way.
It's always a movie reference with you.
A little bit the old in out, in out.
It's not too bad now. It's the in out, did it?
Go down to the Cordova Milk Bar. Get ready for a little bit
It's
of
not as
natural
strong,
violence.
or I'm used to it. Like
It's actually not bad.
Yeah. So for you guys at home making your hot toddy, I would use this as your base, and then you can get creative with your gingers. I don't know, maybe hibiscus. I don't know. You throw stuff in there that you makes you think, I've got a cold. What would I do? What would be one of the things that you would add to your drinks? Maybe it's Earl Grey tea.
Make some purple drink.
Yeah, I made a tea hot toddy last year. Like, I think it was an Earl Grey hot toddy. Like, you could do those things. It doesn't have to just be this specific
Yeah, you could
recipe.
do tea. You could do.
But I would start with this. So you
Coffee's
have a
good with
baseline.
citrus. I think we learned that at the Rumson's thing, right?
Yeah.
Coffee and lemon go well together.
Yeah. So there you go. You've got your executive producer. Subscribe to the show. Oh, I'm gonna use my list. Ready?
Here's the list.
Click the bell icon. Subscribe to the show. Hit the join button and become a member.
Yeah.
That's what they call it. A member. Recipe.awesomedrinks.com to get your best recipes. Maybe I'll even throw this one out there this year if it's not already out there. Like this video. Got your executive producer. Coupon code FUN2021 to save money on stuff at awesomedrinks.com. If you need my recommendation, I would say you can use honey syrup, which is available at awesomedrinks.com, in order to build these things. In this, if you wanted to pick a bitter,
Oh, now it's starting to come back together.
I would go for this.
Little stir.
It's got to steep up a little bit.
I would go with angostura bitters. I would go with Boulevard bitters.
Angostura bitters would be good.
There was a
some bitters
cardamom bitters.
Cardamom.
Oh,
Right?
cardamom would go good.
Those are up there. Those are a couple of the different ones you go to when you go to Awesome Drinks and you're looking to save some money. You just put all that shit in your cart.
It's been a while.
Yeah.
What?
You got to do a little back and forth now.
Yep, you have to go back and forth.
With my hair back and forth.
In out, in
I
out.
whip my hair.
I whip my arm go back and forth. I whip my arm go back and forth.
No. You shoved that
You
line
just gotta do
down
that. Oh, that's nice. Tickle that thing up. Squeeze it.
there. Oh, you almost got like a 3/4 round.
Got a new color. It's a semi-round.
Put it in your mouth. Get some cinnamon.
Esthetician quaff that for you.
The garnish works as a stirrer, or maybe a straw.
I think it might have been better by itself.
All right. Hey, well,
Cardamom bitters is the way to go.
Then
Then.
you learn.
Yeah.
That's just for Jen anyway now. So.
Yeah, that's fine.
That's it. Sidebar, more videos. Maybe I'll throw some hot drinks in there if I have a list. I don't know. Down below, our Awesome Drinks bartender starter
She
kit
likes
so you can get
berries.
mixing today.
They're okay.
Yeah, that's true.
What the fuck is going on?
I'll take that as like.
We'll teach you how to drink.